An extended executive meeting has been held in Guwahati today. Our Supremo Maulana Badruddin Ajmal Sahib is present, and we are very much hopeful this time that in 2026 our party will contest maximum 35 seats. So out of 35 seats, we will certainly, inshallah, out of 35 we will win 25 seats. This time we are very much hopeful that we will do better than Congress in Assam. As for example, MIM has done a big tremendous result in Bihar in comparison of Congress or any other parties. So this time the people of Assam is very much confident that this time they will vote in favor of AIUDF party. We are hopeful for that.
So AIM also Assaduddin Owaisi's parties has also.
See, they are the supremo of AIM party. Assaduddin Owaisi also is speaking always in favor of the depression of press community. So we are also hopeful that if he is willing and if our party is taking the decision to have an alliance with him, then I think it will be much better than before.
So apart from this, in context of BTAD, UPPL is not the part of.
See, UPPL all have a. It does not mean that if people has lost in the BTAD, so they will lose everything. It is not true. And they have also the cadre, and they have also, supporters in their area. And if UPPL left BJP party from NDA, if they come out from the NDA, then certainly we also will have give the proposal to the Supremo of the UPPL party to have an alliance with us also.
So this will be taken up for the third front going to the.
Yeah, there is brightest chance to make a third front in Assam. There is brightest chance, and still there is 4 months and 5 months is ahead before the assembly election. So there is brightest chance to have a third front also. And if it is led by Maulana Badruddin Ajmal Sahib and Assaduddin Owaisi.
So UDF will lead to form the third front ahead of the.
You see. We are planning that how to chase away, how to ousted the BJP, the communal party BJP from the rules of Assam. We are trying this one, and the Congress also has the form. They have the Mahagathbandhan, but their Mahagathbandhan it will be flop because the Congress party they are not thinking, they are not introspecting among themselves why they have lost in Uttar Pradesh, in Haryana, in Bihar. Still the election is nearby. They have to think about themselves, but they are not doing that. They are not doing introspection among themselves. They are going to make the Mahagathbandhan with the party like Akhil Gogoi. He has only single number of MLA. And next is Lurinjyoti Gogoi. He does not have the committees also, district committee and LSC level committee. And Akhil Gogoi also does not have like that. And another is Ajit Gogoi. Ajit Kumar Bhoya, he is the, Rajya Sabha member. He does not have a single member in the society, in the field. So they are making alliance with them, but they are not interested with us. If they are really want to oust BJP from the party, from Assam, then they must have to think about this matter. They must have to think again that there are 15 numbers of MLAs from AIUDF party. They are ignoring that. Why they are doing that one? They are also not interested. When before few months back, in a meeting, Mr. Gaurav Gogoi has spoken. We are taking the preparation to come into the power in 2031, not 2026. What does it mean? They are not interested to make the government in 2026. They have to leave this arrogant. Otherwise, they cannot form this government.
So, AIUDF is keen to interest for the force of the alliance which the Assaduddin Owaisi is led.
See, this is not the force. This is the time is speaking. No. Time is allowing us. Time is welcoming us to make a force third front in Assam.